Yes, sir. It sure is. 64.
Me and this car got something in common. We both the same age.
There you go. I'm right there with her.
That's why you got it, ain't
That's
you?
right.
Yeah. How many years y'all been coming out here?
This is the 5th year in a row.
Where y'all from?
Louisville.
Louisville? That's good.
Yeah.
My hometown too.
There you go.
Nice.
All right, y'all have a good one.
You too.
Been doing this stuff?
5.
5, really?
5 years.
You must have parents that done it.
Yep. Dads.
And y'all decided to do it too, right?
Yep.
Well, that's a cool hobby. But y'all have fun.
Thank you.
Go burn out. Work that thing up. I need water.
How you guys doing, man?
Pretty good.
You gonna do a burnout for me?
Huh?
Are you gonna smoking tires for me?
Can't, man. If you got enough money,
Huh?
you got enough money to bail my ass out?
Yeah, no, I don't.
Okay, well then no tire burning.
Y'all have a good one. How you doing, everybody? You having a good time today? Yeah. All right. How y'all doing today? There you go, man. Yeah, yeah. What'd you pick up all them kids, man? You got a truckload.
Yep, that's it.
Yeah, I bet they're all your grandkids, ain't they?
2 of them are.
Yeah. All right, baby. You have a good one.
Yep, you too, buddy.